Good morning, all my dear friends. I am Old Iron from the GLKU team. Today, we received the 1/14th 8x8 MAN TGS metal hydraulic dump truck from MD Models. Next, please follow our camera as we explore this dump truck. The car shell is made of metal and precision CNC machined. Door can be opened manually. When we open the car door, we need to pay attention to this place. Because it will be stuck, we need to open it slightly. Let's take a rough look at the internal details. The interior is made of ABS material. Here we can see the equipment compartment, which houses the differential lock system for the front and rear wheels. It has simulated rubber tires and CNC metal wheels. Next, let's look at the reversing lights. It has a realistic metal 90mm fuel tank. Next, we will open the fuel tank cap and add a suitable amount of hydraulic oil. Since we had already injected the hydraulic oil before shooting, let's take a look at the chassis structure. Using wheel and axle reduction kit, uses simulated metal drive shaft, and adopts 8x8 dump truck stainless steel frame. Here we can see the gearbox developed independently by MD. Since we didn't order a remote control with our test unit, you can choose to order it separately. Of course, you can also purchase the remote control together with the model. There are two options available, the Fleisky Street 8 version and the Fleisky PL18 version. We use our own remote to operate it, and the buttons operate differently than when shipped from the factory, so you just need to have a general idea of what it does. So next, we will start him. Next, we will open the car shell buckle dedicated to MAN TGS. Since the car shell has no design limit support, we must pay attention to its force when we open it, so we can find something to support it. Next, we will connect the main power supply, and the receiver has been paired with the remote control. The main power supply uses the XT60 connection port. Of course, you can place a larger capacity battery, but for testing purposes I used a small battery for testing. So next, we will connect the main power. After connecting the machine, we will turn on the brushless ESC switch. Next, I will introduce to you the lighting system with 3 modes. In order to control the lighting system, our control position is set on the 3-speed lever on the right side of the remote control. After turning on the lights, you can see the driving lights, low beam lights, roof lights, and high beam lights. Of course, if you want to move around, you will find that the turn signal does not respond. At this time, you need to manually move the 3rd gear lever to 1st gear. At this moment you will find that the turn signal responds. Next, when we need to park or unload cargo, we can turn on the double flashing warning lights. After shifting to 3rd gear, the double flashing warning lights will activate. When we need to turn off the double flashing warning light, we only need to move the lever up to 1st gear. When we adjust it to 1st gear, the double flashing warning light will disappear. But our turn signal linkage light can still be activated. When we don't need the turn signal, we only need to shift it to 2nd gear. Next, we got him moving. Since its driver is linked to the audio system, we cannot start it without starting the audio system. We can also use the knob on the left to adjust the volume of the sound system. Next, let's drive this truck. We lifted the truck up to see its suspension. Next, we will show a shifting system. The gear we set is in the upper left corner of the remote control. Since this truck only has a 2-speed transmission, we'll set it up here. Currently driving at low speed. When shifting gears, we need to shift at a low speed to avoid damaging the gearbox too quickly. Next, show the differential lock. Both front and rear wheels have differential systems. Currently, the differential lock is not turned on. Open the differential lock system. Okay, this is all about the 8x8 all-metal dump truck introduced today. If you want to know more detailed information, please contact me. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, if you are interested in which model, you can tell me in the comments. Maybe we'll shoot you an unboxing intro after seeing the comments. Then we will see you in the next issue of Unboxing. Bye!